we are going to discuss about the parallel lines and angles, right? As we have discussed earlier, what happens in parallel lines, the measures of all the angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, the measure is equal. And what about co-interior angles? The sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. But in case of non-parallel lines, it doesn't happen. So we are going to prove it through the working model. See, we are having, so these straws will represent two lines and this straw will act as transversal. Got it? Yes, as you can see, these two lines are parallel. Now in this case, two lines are parallel. You can see this angle and this angle. These are corresponding angles. You can see the measure 0 to 90, 0 to 90. So what you are observing, the corresponding angles are of measure 90 degree. Agar if we name it as angle 1, if we name it as, हम इसको नाम दे देते, take it as angle 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you observe angle 1 and angle 6. Angle 1 and angle 6. Both are equal to 90 degree. Let's discuss about another corresponding angle. अगर हम अलग-अलग angles पे check कर ले. Yes. Now you can observe beta. This angle 3. This angle 3 and this angle 7. Yes. See what is the measure? 0 to 90. 0 to 90. Right? So angle 3 and angle 7 is 90. If we talk about co-interior angles, angle 3 and angle 6. This is a pair of co-interior angles. Observe the sum, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degree. Right? You can also observe about the alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior. Let's talk about alternate exterior. Right? See, this is angle 1. When the lines are parallel, only then the measures will be equal. Right? Angle 1 and angle 8. These are alternate exterior angles. So angle 1 is equals to angle 8 and both are is equals to 90 degree. So at different you can say different angles you can take, and you can now you can understand about alternate interior angle. See, angle 3 and angle 5 is alternate interior and both are is equals to 90 degree. So this is the case of parallel lines. Now we'll talk about the non-parallel lines. See, Hanji Gautam. Now you will tell me the alternate measure of alternate interior angle. See the measure of alternate interior angle. Are they equal? No. Observe angle 3 and angle 5. No. Beta, you are to observe the angle 3 and angle 5. What is the measure? Observe this from here. 70 degree. This is 70. So angle 3 is 70 degree and angle 5 is, you can see, this is almost 120. So are they equal? No. So in case of non-parallel lines, okay, if you talk about alternate exterior angle, yes, beta, you tell me 1 and angle 8. These all are alternate exterior angle. Check the measure of angle 1 and angle 8. Check the angle 1 is equals to 0 to 110. And if we observe, this angle is
0 to 60.
This is 110 and this is 60. Are they equal? No. So what do we observe? In case of non-parallel lines, these angles are not equal. Okay. Let's observe the co-interior angle. In case of, let's observe co-interior angle in case of, so this is a pair of, if we see, this is a pair of, yes beta you, this is a pair of co-interior angle, angle 4 or angle 5. This is co-interior angle. What is the measure? Observe now. What is the measure? This is 0 to 110. And what is the measure of this angle? 0 to 120. So 110 and 120 not equal to 180 degree. Proving that between non-parallel lines, neither corresponding angles are equal, nor alternate interior or alternate exterior angles are equal, and also the co-interior angles are not supplementary. Is that clear? Class, is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.